Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use AI feature in Microsoft Clipchamp. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Microsoft Clipchamp, and if we want to use the AI feature to create a video, we can go to this menu, create a video with AI. I'm going to tap on that, and here we can use the AI to auto-compose our video. And the first tab is choosing title of our video or adding title of our video, and I'm just going to add Jakarta trip. Okay, and here click to add our media. I'm just going to upload my video. Okay, I'm gonna go with this video and click on open, and we have to wait until the video has completely uploaded to the project. We need to wait until 100%. Okay, once the video has been uploaded, we can click on get started, or actually you can add multiple videos to your project, but I'm just going to add one and click on get started. Okay, and here we can choose the style of our video, but I'm just going to click on choose for me. Let the AI choose the style for me. Okay, and the second step is choosing the aspect ratio, and I'm just going to use landscape, and then I'm going to click on next, and we can click on this play button to take a look at the result. Now it's done guys, and then we can click on export, or actually we can still edit our video by clicking on edit in a timeline, but I'm just going to export it. Okay, and the video will be saved to my device. Alright guys, and that's all the way to use AI feature in Clipchamp. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.